Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a boomerang video on the Snapchat, how to create a boomerang on your Snapchat. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to create the boomerang on the Snapchat, I'm just going to show now. So first of all, click on the recording option on the bottom, just record it like this. So after recording, you will see an option called yes or infinity symbol on the bottom. You can see the tools on the side. You just need to click on the last tool. So now it will shows the boomerang. You can just adjust the clip where that you want to start or where that the boomerang should be started. So I just going to start it from the front. You can just create a boomerang on the 2.0 seconds, which means 2 seconds. So now it's created as boomerang. Now you can just save this video, or you can just share to the friends on just add to the story. So this is how you just create the boomerang. It's the tool option is on the bottom called curve option, or you can see below the crop symbol. So this is how you just create the boomerang on the Snapchat. I think this video helped you a lot. If you took a 2 minutes video, don't worry, just click this and make a 2 seconds boomerang on your Snapchat. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.